All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your fourth MySQL tutorial. all of the cities. So anytime you ran a query, you can either look at that query right here, or if you want to see it exactly like you typed it, hit show query box, and that's going to go ahead and show your query. But for the purposes of this tutorial, or excuse me, for the purposes of this query, I'm just going to go ahead and read right from here. So what the select statement does is it pretty much selects what information do you want, and you type this right after select. So we want to select the city from, and from is a keyword, what table. So basically we wanted to select what information, the city, from what table, customers, it's our only table we have to work with right now. And there you go. There you have it. The results of our query. And by the way, I probably should have mentioned this a while ago. Whenever I say query, I just mean a command or instruction that we're telling MySQL to do. So that's what query means. I know I said it for like the last 5 minutes. I didn't explain, but it's pretty much an instruction. What we've been typing in are all queries.